Would you believe me if I told you that this channel, yes, this one right here, gained over 1.27 million subscribers with just 38 shorts? And guess what? They did it in just 1 month. And the craziest part, they're making thousands of dollars every single month, all from simple AI-generated videos of poor and emotional animals. No filming, no expensive equipment, no fancy editing, just smart strategy and AI. This niche is absolutely exploding right now. Just imagine, what if you could start today and within a few days your videos start getting millions of views? What if you could turn those views into a steady passive income while AI does most of the work for you? But here's the catch. Most people don't even know how to do this the right way. They struggle with AI tools, they pick the wrong videos, and they completely miss out on going viral. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these emotional animal videos in just minutes, the secret formula that makes these videos go viral, and most importantly, how you can start making thousands of dollars every single month, just like this channel. Before we get started, let me break it down for you, how this channel creator smartly leveraged the YouTube algorithm to skyrocket their views and achieve insane growth. First, let me show you how the creator of this video is masterfully playing with the audience's emotions. When you open the video, you'll see a heartbreaking story unfold. A poor kitten dressed in torn, dirty clothes, struggling to find food in the trash. Meanwhile, his so-called friends mock and laugh at him, making him feel completely hopeless. But then the real twist begins. The kitten, with tears in his eyes, realizes he has no money and no one to help him. Instead of giving up, he makes a powerful decision. He will work hard to change his fate. He starts hustling, taking up jobs at different places, a cafe, KFC, and anywhere he can earn a few coins. People notice his dedication and start helping him. Slowly but surely, his hard work pays off. He keeps grinding, keeps pushing, and eventually he becomes rich. One day, he returns, not as the poor, struggling kitten they once mocked, but as a successful, wealthy one. He buys tons of food, and now the same friends who laughed at him are left speechless. This is how the creator hooks the audience emotionally, keeping them engaged from start to finish, and this is exactly how you can do it too. Now, if you deeply analyze this channel and want to achieve the same level of success, you'll realize something shocking. This channel isn't creating original content, it's simply copying videos from a Chinese app, making a few edits, and uploading them to YouTube. And guess what? It's working like magic. But here's the real question. What if you could create your own viral videos using 100% free AI tools instead of copying? Sounds interesting, right? If you're serious about this, let me know. I'll guide you step by step on how to do it the right way. But before that, let's uncover the secret formula this channel used to explode in success as fast as possible. Now, to find these videos, you'll need to search for Kuaishou Chinese app. This is where many of these viral emotional animal videos originate. After searching for the Kuaishou Chinese app, click on the first link. Now click on to English to translate the page from Chinese to English so you can understand everything easily. This app will take some time to load the videos. Once it's ready, you'll need to search for poor kitten, but keep in mind, you must search in Chinese. That's why I'll open Google Translator to help with the translation. Now I will translate poor kitten into Chinese. Copy these Chinese words and paste them into the search bar, then click on the search button. Now here you'll find the exact videos we're looking for. As you can see, these two are same to our choice. Now, if you want to find hundreds of similar videos, open one of the videos, then at the top right corner, you'll see the channel name. Click on it to open the channel. Now, as you can see, this creator has uploaded many similar videos and you can download them from here. And this is another Chinese app, which is basically the Chinese version of TikTok. But keep in mind, this TikTok version only works in China and these sites might not open in your region. So you must install and run a VPN on your system before accessing these sites. If you search the same keywords here, you'll find similar results as well. Now, to download a video from here, simply click on the video you want to download. At the top right corner, you'll see the share button. Click on it, then hit the copy link button to copy the video URL. Once you have the link, you can easily download the video using any online video downloader. This is the video I've downloaded from the Kuaishou site. Now I'll import it into CapCut and then add it to the timeline for editing. After that, I'll mute the original video sounds and add my channel name to the video as a watermark so that no one else can reuse or steal my content. To add my channel name to the video, I'll simply drag and drop the default text onto the timeline. After that, I'll increase the length of the text so it covers the entire duration of the video. Now adjust the size and position of the text, placing it exactly where the first logo appears in the video. Type your channel name here, then select a preset style and enable the background. I'll choose white color for the background to make the text stand out clearly. Next, go to the adjustment section and slightly increase the saturation, contrast, clarity, and vignette to enhance the overall look of the video. Now, to avoid monetization issues, you'll need to write the script of this story in your own words, then convert it into a voiceover, and finally add that voiceover to the video as commentary. You can do the commentary in your own voice, but if that's not possible, then I recommend using 11 Labs, one of the most advanced and affordable AI text-to-speech voiceover tools available. As you can see, I searched for 11 Labs and then clicked on the first link to open the website. 11 Labs offers 10,000 free credits to all users, and these credits renew every month. Now, to find a great voiceover actor, click on the Voices button. You can select a voice actor from here, but if you want to explore more voiceover actors, click on the Library button. Here, you can find almost every type of voiceover actor, but since I need a voice for storytelling, I'll click on the Narrative and Story category. Next, choose the language. I'll select English since I'm working on an English story. Then choose the accent. I'll go with the American accent for a natural and engaging tone. Here, you can test all of these voices and choose the one that best suits your story for the most engaging and emotional delivery. But I'll select this voice because it suits our story perfectly and delivers the right emotional tone. To use this voice, click on the Add button next to it, then click on the Use button to start generating your voiceover. Now, I'll paste the script of the story here that I've already prepared. You can review these settings to generate ultra-realistic voiceovers, but for now, I'll leave them as default since they already produce great results. And click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, the voiceover for the entire story will be ready. After it's generated, simply click on the Download button to save it to your desktop. The voiceover is ready, and I've imported it into CapCut and added it to the timeline for final editing. Now, as you can see, the audio duration is longer than the video, so I'll carefully adjust the speed of the video to perfectly match it with the audio narration. I've adjusted the speed of the first 3 to 4 scenes, but now the rest of the video duration is longer than the audio, so I'll need to either trim or slightly speed up the remaining scenes to perfectly sync with the voiceover. Now, as you can see, the video is perfectly synced with the voiceover, and the final step is to add background music, which is one of the most important parts to make the story feel emotional, engaging, and truly come to life. I'll be using YouTube Audio Library music, which is 100% copyright free, and you can find hundreds of free music tracks here to perfectly match the mood of your story. You can test different music tracks here, but I'll search for the lullaby music that I liked specifically for this story. This is the music track I want to use for the story, so I'll download it to my desktop. I've imported the music track into CapCut, and now I'll add it to the timeline. After that, I'll trim the extra part by pressing Ctrl+B and then hitting the delete button. Next, I'll lower the volume of the music to perfectly match the narration audio. The video is now ready, so I'll export it to my desktop. Name your video and make sure to export it in 1080p for the best quality. The video export has started, and I'll show you the final results once it's done. But before I show you the final result, I have great news for you. I'll audit your channel 100% free of cost. Just comment below this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It truly means the world to us.
A poor kitten, dressed in torn, dirty clothes, struggling to find food in the trash. Meanwhile, his so-called friends mock and laugh at him, making him feel completely hopeless, and he begins crying. But then, the real twist begins. The kitten, with tears in his eyes, realizes he has no money and no one to help him. Instead of giving up, he makes a powerful decision. He will work hard to change his fate. He starts hustling, taking up jobs at different places, a cafe, hotels, and anywhere he can earn a few coins. People notice his dedication and start helping him. Slowly but surely, his hard work pays off. He keeps grinding, keeps pushing, and eventually, he becomes rich. One day, he returns, not as the poor, struggling kitten they once mocked, but as a successful, wealthy one. He buys luxury dresses, and now, the same friends who laughed at him are left speechless. And he became the richest kitten with his own cars and luxury apartment.